Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to use lookup value in Power BI. So it's more like a VLOOKUP in Excel. So let's go to the tutorial. So I have two data sources here. One is customer and sales. In the customer one, it has customer ID and customer name. And the sales one, I have order ID and the customer ID. So what I want to add is I want to add a new column called customer name, and I want to get those information from the customers table and put it to the sales table. So that is the tutorial is all about. We can achieve this by writing a very simple DAX. For that, we go to sales table and create a new column. And here we add customer name, and then we use a DAX called lookup value, and then here results column I would say customer name, and then search column 1, so I want to search customer ID, and then search value 1 also would be sales customer ID. So this is very simple. So when we add enter, the values from the customers table will fetch it to the customer name column by referencing the customer ID. So this is how we use the VLOOKUP, or a VLOOKUP value will be reflected, how we can reflect it in Power BI. Thank you very much for watching it, and please keep in touch for more Power BI videos.